Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about Illinois sales tax Nexus. So if you have a business that sells to customers in Illinois, then you may be required to collect a remit sales tax even if you're not physically located there. Now, this guide covers when exactly you are considered to have a nexus. Now, let's get started. So, firstly, what is sales tax nexus? Sales tax nexus is a connection that you have between your state and the business itself, which obligates you for collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. Now, there are two conditions when you can have this. One is physical nexus, the other is economic nexus. Now, physical nexus is when you have a physical presence in the state of Illinois, such as an office, a warehouse, retail location, inventory, or employees, even a remote employer, temporary sales representative, or any sales activity can trigger physical nexus in the state of Illinois. So if you have that, then you're going to register for sales tax and start collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. In case you do not have a physical nexus, then you may need to count for economic nexus your sales volume and number of transactions. So you must register and collect sales tax in Illinois if during the preceding 12 calendar months your business meets the following thresholds, which is a sales volume of more than $100,000, transaction threshold of more than 200 transactions. So, meeting either the sales or transaction threshold triggers economic nexus, and then you'll have to register for sales tax. Now, the most important thing is where a lot of businesses get confused at what exactly counts towards these thresholds. So, I'm going to answer this in three simple questions. First, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? Now, for Illinois, yes, they are excluded. Sales made through a market-based facilitator like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, etc., are excluded from the threshold calculation in Illinois. Now, the next question is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold in Illinois? Now, the answer is yes, they are excluded for the calculation of economic threshold in Illinois, but you may be expected to keep all of the valid resale certificates to support that exclusion. Now, the third question is, are non taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold? Now, again, yes, they are excluded. So, all the non taxable sales, any exempt sales, are excluded from the calculation of threshold. But again, documentation must be maintained to prove their exempt status. And after calculating all of these, if you still cross the sales volume or transaction threshold, then you will be required to register on My Tax Illinois portal. And you can check out tutorials that are going on our YouTube channel for help, for visual guide on how you can get yourself registered. If not, you can also contact us. We are a sales tax compliance solution. We help you with nexus determination in your states and registration and filing also. So all the things related to sales tax basically. So you can check us out down below at www.galvix.com. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you like it. Comment down below if you have any doubts related to Illinois sales tax or any other US state sales tax. And if you want any specific registration video, let us know. We'll be happy to make that for you. Or anything else that's related to sales tax. Also, take care of yourself. We'll see you again. Bye bye.